But for real though, oh my god. Some coffee? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've done it again. Let's get started with garbanzo bean pasta, fruit, and sweet potato, our 3 elements of a bright breakfast. Get it all together, weigh it out, and start to sizzle it up. Starting with the sweet potato, I'm using some garlic here, a little Woodfire garlic, and I'm going to get this all sauteed up so we have some sweet with some smoked. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and add the clementines, and I love this step right here because it gets the juices flowing, and I will season this with a little bit of poppy seed as well as cinnamon, and we've got a lot of smoky and cinnamony flavors happening here. Now take your pasta and give it a quick stir fry with some pasta water. Then add some herbs here, saute it up in some water, put your beautiful sweet potato clementine topping, go ahead and mix it around, zhuzh it up a little bit, plate it into your bowl, and this is a great way to use leftover garbanzo bean pasta as well. Finish it with some salt and you're good to go. This is an all-in-one Brightline eating breakfast that worked really well for me. By the way, my name is Dory and I've lost over 80 pounds and kept it off. I follow Brightline Eating. And while I do believe in neutrality with my food, I also want to feel natural with a sense of enjoyment in order for me to follow through with my meals.